buddy Denny here. Let's take the next step in our painting and divide the sky from the ground, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Okay, we're back to our pinky color. Okay, got a nice water down. And we're just going to swipe around in here. And we're just going to start setting up our horizon line. Okay, just like this. And we're just using the same color, but it's just darkened just a little bit. Just like that. Now that, of course, is going to dry lighter. Now let's come up here and let's just put a little bit of motion in the sky. How's that sound? Up here, just like that. Okay, and we're getting what looks like some cloud action up there. Just like that. And that's just plain water on the brush. Just moving the paint around because it's very, 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 very subtle in the sky. Okay, there we go. And now we have two very distinct areas. We have a sky, and now we have a ground. Okay, just like that. And you can see that yellow spot. I put that in because that's going to indicate that the sun is right in that area. Okay, we have accomplished a lot today. Tomorrow, we'll actually start working on some faraway trees. And maybe we might actually get to start putting some structure down in here. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment. For goodness sakes, leave comments. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. That worked quite well. Be with me tomorrow. We'll take her to the next step. And remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.